Action!
Oh, you forgot to say, hey, frame maker.
Hey, frame maker.
Hey, frame maker.
Happy Saturday.
Yeah.
So, what are we doing here?
So we're bending some brackets for the subframe.
You can't put your arm in the way like that. What's wrong with you?
You need to talk to your cameraman.
Yeah, we'll just edit your arm out.
Alright.
So ooh, there's a bend.
Check it. Oh, teeny bit too far. Throw it back in. These don't have to be very accurate anyway, but just want to get kind of close. Yeah, it's kind of close. You're
in production here.
Yeah. There's some random dude that I know that wants a subframe for his RZ.
Huh. So cool dude?
Yeah, he's okay.
So I can let Julian explain what's going on here, but this is pretty cool.
This is the fixture with the beginning of a subframe. So I've been doing these two diagonals as samples. They get kind of this strange fish mouth cut, which we'll go do a couple in a minute. This piece that I just bent goes right here.
Nice.
So far so good. Everything's lining up.
Nice.
This is the way it's supposed to. You can see I've got my vise set at a particular set of degrees. It's 14 degrees this direction. It's approximately 2.5 this direction.
Jeez.
What's interesting about this process, I've got a very limited depth of cut because we bottom out inside the hole saw.
Right.
So what you're going to see me do here in a second is we're going to back it out. So right there it's bottoming. Continue to cut. Bottom out one more time.
I heard that. Got to finish. Could do some damage with this thing.
Yeah, you could hurt yourself on that. Just like having a horizontal mill. This would be very difficult on a vertical mill.
Yeah, this has the thicker gauge brackets Julian ordered. Very nice. Julian says these are mine, but I don't know what to do with them. Is there more?
And these are yours.
Alright.
So you'll notice all of them have a
Yep,
little ridge.
I did notice that.
That's where the laser starts and stops.
Right.
So that should get sanded off, and I like to kind of just deburr the edges a little bit.
Yep. All right, sir. We have a plan for tomorrow.
Okie doke.
Super Sunday.
Yeah.
Julian's really
Two-stroke Sunday.
a two-stroke Super Sunday.
Yeah.
Julian's not too excited about the other Super Sunday,
Oh, sports ball.
the sports ball thing. That's
so
right.
My cat has a little ball that she chases around the bathtub. So
That's
you know,
enough.
I get sports ball at home.
That's enough sports for you.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right. See you tomorrow.
See ya.
I have these parts all nicely deburred. A little chamfer on the edge. Ready for Julian to do some welding, hopefully tomorrow. I went and dropped those other parts off at Julian's house, and he handed me these parts to deburr. So we'll take care of these real quick and drop these back off over there.